This is the 3-step breathing space. You can use this practice if you feel anxious, nervous, or stressed, or if you feel like you need to take a step back from your thoughts or feelings. It can also help you to give yourself that extra bit of strength to face the world in some way. The first step is to become aware of what's here in your experience right now. So starting by adopting an upright and dignified posture. Whether you're sitting or standing, try and have your feet flat on the ground so you can feel stable and strong. Really trying to embody awakeness and stability. Making sure you're comfortable too. If it feels okay, closing the eyes and begin to bring your awareness to your inner experience. Asking, what is my experience right now? Really seeing if you can tune into what thoughts are here right now for you. Seeing if you can see these thoughts as mental events going on in your mind, but trying to step back and not get drawn into them. These are just thoughts that come and go. Then notice what feelings are here, seeing if you can turn toward any sense of unpleasant feelings or sense of discomfort, and acknowledging that they're here. These are all feelings, they're just feelings that come and go. And then noticing what body sensations are here right now for you. Scanning around your body quickly to notice any tightness, any sensations like butterflies in the tummy, any tingling, any sense of contact with the floor. These are all just body sensations that come and go. The next step is to gather the attention by focusing the attention on the breath. If it feels okay to do so, bring the attention to the physical sensations of the breathing at the belly. See if you can zoom the attention in close to these sensations of breathing. Noticing any sense of expanding in the belly as the body breathes in, and the relaxing as the body breathes out. Not trying to change our breathing, just allowing the body to breathe for itself. Following the breath all the way in and all the way out again. Using the breathing to anchor yourself in the present moment. And if the mind starts to wander off, or if difficult thoughts or feelings come along, just returning to the sensations of the breath. The final step is to expand the field of your awareness around the breathing so that it includes a sense of the body as a whole. Your posture, your facial expression, your feet on the floor. If you become aware of any sensation of discomfort, tension or resistance, seeing if you can take your awareness there by breathing into them on the in-breath. And then breathe out from those sensations, softening and opening with the out-breath. Seeing if you can stay with this expanded attention on the body breathing for a moment. as best you can, seeing if you can bring this expanded awareness to the next moments of your day. And as the video comes to an end, maybe deciding whether to continue the practice or whether to choose to do something to help yourself right now. Ask yourself, what could I do for myself now, in this moment, to make things better? To make me feel good?